Hey, Paul, what's the time?
I don't know. But our Sunday school teacher, he's late.
He's always late,
Yeah.
man. And then he comes and he asks us questions, and when we don't know the answer, oh, man.
What?
He's going to make both of us stay behind after school because you don't even know the answers to the questions he's going to ask, man.
What are you talking about? I know more about the Bible than you do.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
Did you have your breakfast? Remember, the teacher said we have to have our breakfast and then we can learn better. Remember?
Yeah. I always have my breakfast.
Did you have some Weet-Bix?
Yeah, I always have a week.
I had Weet-Bix too. How many Weet-Bix you have?
I have 3.
How many?
3.
That's 4, man.
Oh, the other one was stuck together.
I had more Weet-Bix than you. I had 5, man.
I had 3 boxes.
Okay, I have to ask you some questions so you can practice how to get the answers right, okay?
Yeah, it's okay. You can ask me any question and I will know the question.
But will you know the answer?
One thing at a time, man.
Oh, man. Okay, I'm going to start off with an easy one, okay?
Okay. Anything.
Okay. Oh, yeah, it's an easy one. What's the first book in the Bible?
This is an easy one. Next.
You don't even know what the first book in the Bible is?
No, I know. What in the Simon or the English Bible?
It's the same order in both Bibles, man.
I know. It's in the Old Testament.
Yeah, because the Old Testament's at the front.
Yeah. It's the first one. As soon as you open the Bible, it's like, oh, there it is.
Yeah, so what's the first one when you open up the Bible then?
It's a book of Index.
No, I told you didn't know anything.
Oh, no.
It's Genesis, man.
Yeah. Now, remember, it's just the Weet-Bix hasn't just say it.
Okay.
You can ask me any question. Ask anything.
Okay. I'll make it easy, okay?
No,
so
anything.
you can get some confidence.
Okay.
Okay. Who was the first woman in the Bible?
It's Eve.
Yeah, good
Eve.
Paul.
I tell you.
That's easy, man.
Yeah.
Even my little brother and sister know that one.
Okay. Did you know that she was married to Adam? Hey?
Yeah, the first man and woman was Eve and Adam.
Okay. Do you know how their children got their name? Hey?
The Bible doesn't say how Cain and Abel got their names. There was just Cain and Abel.
No, you're not just born and you come with a name. I know how they got their name.
Okay, how did Cain and Abel get their name then?
Oh, the first one that was born was Abel. Yeah, he was named after the fruit that Eve tried to give to Adam.
The apple.
Yeah, the Abel.
No, apple is different from Abel.
Abel's Hebrew for apple?
No. Man, you're just making things up,
No.
man. I'm going to be in trouble.
No.
I'm going to stay behind.
Now, I know him some things. Now, okay, do you know how the other brother got his name?
Cain?
Yeah.
How did Cain get his name?
Well, Adam wasn't expecting to have another baby, but when he was born, Adam said, oh, not a Cain.
No, man.
You should read your book of Index.
Man, don't say that to the teacher, man. I'm going to get in trouble, man.
Nah, I know more about the Bible than you do.
No.
Yeah, I also know like how when Noah was got eaten by the shark.
Noah wasn't eaten by the shark. You're thinking of Jonah, and Jonah was swallowed by a whale.
If I was speaking of Jonah, I would have said Jonah. I'm talking about Noah.
Noah in the Bible was the one who built the ark, man.
Yeah, I know. Because he was good at designing.
It doesn't say anything about him designing. It just says he built the ark.
That's where the root word for architect come from.
What?
Architect.
No.
Yeah.
Oh, man. You're going to get me in trouble.
No, that's true.
No. Oh, man. No, he saved all the animals from the land, but he didn't have to save any animals from the sea, eh?
What do you expect? He got eaten by the shark.
No.
Yeah.
No, he just liked animals, man.
Yeah, and because he liked animals, a lot of people don't know he's the first one to invent the SPCA.
No, the SPCA is like only 100 years old. The Bible's 1,000 years old, man.
No, he's the first one.
There's no SPCA in the Bible.
Yes, there is.
Where?
Remember the story when the villagers wanted to go and talk to him? And the only way they could talk to him was to ask his wife, Mrs. Ark?
No. Oh, yeah, and then what happened?
And then the villagers asked her, they said, Mrs. Ark. Excuse me, Mrs. Ark.
Why are the villagers talking like that for?
Huh? Because come from over there. Did they ask her? They said, Mrs. Ark, can we speak to Moses, Mrs. Ark? And she was like, he can't talk right now. It's busy, eh? It's busy, eh? See? That's where it started.
You just said it was Moses. They didn't want to speak to Moses. Moses didn't build the ark. Moses took the Israelites out of Egypt and took them to the promised land, Paul.
Yeah, in the ark?
No.
That's how he parted the red carpet.
What's the Red Sea?
Yeah, C for carpet. Man, you just broke the second commandment.
What?
Thou shalt not ask stupid questions.
I have to ask you the question so you can remember the answer, and then we can both go home straight after class, man. Okay? You remember, the teacher said we have to learn all the miracles that Jesus performed. Do you remember the miracles that Jesus performed?
Yeah.
Okay, you have to tell me some so you know when the teacher asks. Okay?
I know.
Tell me something.
Okay. Remember when Jesus walked on water?
Yeah.
And he changed the water into wine?
Good, Paul. Yeah.
And he made the blind man hear?
See? Huh? The blind man see.
Wow, he did that too?
Okay, carry on.
He healed the cripple? He brought Lazarus back to life? Yeah, booyah.
But you have to remember the most important one, Paul.
What?
The one he taught us last week about the Sermon on the Mount, about how Jesus fed 5,000 people with just some fish and some bread the little boy brought for lunch, okay?
Yeah, it's all right.
That's a miracle, man.
Yeah, but that was 5,000 Palangi people.
What?
If Jesus took that small amount of food and fed 5,000 Samoan people, boom, now that's a miracle.